In today's video, I'll be using AI to script edit and create a faceless YouTube video. To write the script, I'll be using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to write us a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video about the oldest city in the world. ChatGPT has created a full-length YouTube script for us. The script starts off by saying, "Welcome to our video." ChatGPT has mentioned some of the oldest cities. If you want to expand any of these specific sections, you could do that by copying that section, pasting it in, and asking ChatGPT to expand that paragraph. As you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you. You can use ChatGPT to expand it as much as you like and then remove any content which you don't want to include within that video. Once you've extended your YouTube script and you're happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory. This is going to be the tool we'll be using to turn our script into a video. In my opinion, Pictory is one of the best script-to-video tools you can use, and they make it very intuitive and very easy to use. Once you're on Pictory, there are a couple of ways in which you can turn your content into videos. You can do article-to-videos, you can edit your videos using text, or you could do visuals-to-video. For this example, we'll be using the script-to-video template. To get started, go ahead and click Proceed and enter the name of your video. Next, here is where you will paste the full script for your YouTube video. Once you've pasted your script, you can then proceed to the next step, which is selecting your video style. Pic3 offers a wide range of video styles to choose from, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we've selected the animated style. Pic3 allows you to fully customize the look and feel of your video to match your brand and aesthetic. You can proceed to the next step, which is adding music and sound effects to your video. Pic3 has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can choose from. However, if you have your own music or sound effects that you'd like to use, you can also upload them. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any final edits before exporting it. Exporting your video is a straightforward process. Once your video is exported, you can then upload it to YouTube or any other video platform of your choice. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for creating engaging scripts for YouTube videos and other content. And with Pic3, turning your script into a video is a breeze. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, using ChatGPT and Pic3 can save you a lot of time and effort in creating high-quality videos for your YouTube channel. So give it a try and see how it can help you create more engaging and professional videos for your channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.